Once upon a time, in a town shrouded by a perpetual fog, lived a peculiar toy maker. He crafted toys that mimicked the movements and sounds of real animals, enchanting everyone. But there was a mystery that no one could solve. How did the toy maker know what toy would be popular next? Think of this toy maker as an econometrician, a person who uses numbers and data to understand the world. Just like the toy maker, econometricians can predict which toy, or in their case, which part of the economy, will be the next big thing. They do this through something called models. No, not the kind that strut down a runway, but the kind that help us understand how things work. You see, just like the toy maker who observed children at play to understand their likes and dislikes, econometricians observe the economy. They look at different things, like how much money people earn, how much they spend, and even how much they save. These things are like the different parts of a toy, each working together to make the toy function. In econometrics, these are called variables. Some variables depend on others, just like how a toy's movement might depend on winding it up first. Now, just because two things happen together doesn't mean one causes the other. Imagine if every time you ate ice cream, it started to rain. You wouldn't think that your ice cream was causing the rain, right? That's because it's not. That's correlation, not causation. Econometricians have to be careful not to mix these two up. Econometricians use different types of models depending on what they're looking at. It's like using different blueprints for making a toy car, a toy robot, or a toy bird. These models could be for one point in time, over a period, or even for different groups at the same time. So, the toy maker, with his keen observation and understanding of the children's play habits, could predict the next popular toy. Similarly, econometricians, with their models and understanding of the economy, can predict things like whether prices will go up or down, or if more people will find jobs. But just like the toy maker sometimes made a toy that wasn't popular, econometricians can also make mistakes. Their models might not always reflect reality, or they might not be able to find the real cause behind something happening in the economy. But despite these challenges, they keep trying, adjusting their models, and learning more about the economy. And so, our story takes us back to the foggy town and the mysterious toy maker. Just as the toy maker used his observations and expertise to anticipate the town's toy demands, econometricians use their tools and knowledge to anticipate economic trends and changes. It's not always perfect, but it's a fascinating process, full of discovery and understanding. Just remember, don't confuse your ice cream with the rain.